The instrument cluster can be removed without removing the steering wheel. If you're adding a new cluster, you will need to code it to your vehicle. Begin by lowering and moving the steering wheel as low and as far back as it will go. You will need to turn the wheel to access the trim clips on the steering column. There is one on each side, red arrow, one shown. We have removed the steering wheel for photographic purposes only. You do not need to remove it to perform this work. Use a small flathead screwdriver and push in and release the clips on the upper and lower trim pieces, red arrows. Lift the upper trim piece up and back and disconnect the two connections for the microphones, red arrow. The connections will come out from the cover to help with separation. Unclip the leather trim piece from the plastic piece, red arrow. There are 4 clips behind the trim piece, blue arrows. Gently pull the trim piece forward and out. Remove the 4 T25 Torx screws holding the cluster to the dash, blue arrows. On the left side of the cluster, press in on the blue tab, red arrow, and then pull down on the orange arm. This will separate the electrical connection. On the right side, press in on the very small tab, red arrow, and separate the electrical connection. You can now remove the cluster from the vehicle. Installation is the reverse of removal, and remember, if installing a new cluster, it will necessitate coding it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.